More than a third of every cargo theft happens while the shipment is in transit, hurting the business reputation more than the lost cargo itself. I'm Oli, and in this video we'll see exactly how high-value cargo monitoring works and how you can benefit from it. Let's head to the template. So what exactly would you gain from high-value cargo monitoring? First off, no extra staff on the road, no physical escort needed, so less expenses, more space, 24/7 protection end-to-end for your travels because you would have live monitoring, sightseeing the whole area around the vehicle, in the vehicle, and also on the driver. For when he leaves the truck, we can make sure your driver is safe and also seeing what exactly is happening in front of him. Because a lot of cargoes are stolen when the driver leaves for a break. Consistent protocol-driven response. So a qualified operator would be there from start to finish with very detailed protocols established between you and the video monitoring company. At the end, you will have a full audit trail of the whole travel. So basically what you would have are less costs, control over everything at any moment, and all the information afterward. So now what exactly is the toolkit built into every protected truck? As I said, you will have security cameras everywhere. Door contact protection, so the operator will know if someone is trying to open a door. A real-time location GPS to track the itinerary of your driver beforehand and live. A two-way audio microphone, so you would have live interaction with the driver and the operator. This is also very important before starting, making sure that everything is working properly, briefing the operator, and all the important stuff. Siren and strobe to scare anyone trying to come too close to the truck. Ignition cutoff, so if the truck needs to be stopped, we can do it remotely and safely. A panic button, so if the driver sees anything suspicious, he can also signal it himself. Everything is connected with a single live feed to the same operator, making it simple for every end. Before the wheels move, there's a procedure making sure everything is working properly. Equipment activation. When the driver enters, we'll call the live video monitoring company, activating all the equipment, verifying all the equipment by doing tests and safety controls, doing physical inspections guided by the operator, establish the two-way communication for the whole travel. Or we can also have rules where the driver has to call every 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and then they both confirm the itinerary and establish exactly how they want to proceed for the whole thing, because sometimes there are different elements on the road that needs to be secured differently. Here is how everything will work in case of an intruder. Step 1, you have all the devices, the monitoring, and then if you detect something, the operator has control of everything and can respond quickly. A voice intervention, a siren, ignition cutoff. They can also dispatch the authorities, and you would have a very detailed report afterward. It's simple, it's efficient, so that's it for high-value cargo monitoring. And if you have any other questions about the topic, let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon!